Hello everyone. In Stage 8, we will learn how to spread grass in our yard. As usual, always check the original references. Here, we have a reference that is similar to our surrounding area. We can see that grass forms here because there is sand underneath. Okay, after we've learned a bit about how grass looks in its natural state, let's move on to the project. To spread the grass, we use a plugin called Scatter. This plugin is a paid type of plugin. But here, we can try it with a trial option. To activate Scatter, we can select the Scatter button here. And the Scatter panel will appear. Here, we can rename our first distribution media. Next, we select the host for our base media that will be spread by the grass. As we can see, our base has become red dots, which means it has been selected as the base to be spread with grass later. Next, we select the object that we will distribute as grass. For the grass object, here we use objects from the Enscape asset. Okay, back again. To select the grass, we go to the Vegetation tab. Here, we use several types of grass models to spread grass in the site area. Make sure the color and shape of the grass to be spread are consistent. After gathering the grass models, next, we select the Scattered Object option in Scatter. Then select the grass object. Don't forget to turn off the Scattered Object option as before. To make the grass from Scatter visible, we can activate the automatic generation in Scatter. However, here we need to adjust the density of the grass. To adjust it, we go to the Distribution tab. Then we adjust the density. The smaller the input number, the denser it becomes. As we can see, the density of our grass becomes too dense because the input number is too small. Be careful at this stage because if it's too dense, SketchUp may experience bugs or crash. Here, we will adjust the rotation and scale in the Transformation tab. To make SketchUp's viewport lighter, we can reduce the density display in the preview. Let's change it so that the maximum number of objects displayed by Scatter in SketchUp is only 5,000 objects. Here, we adjust the scale and density until it matches the reference. To keep the grass within the area, we can turn off the random translation option. The adjusted grass looks good. because we previously applied our ground base as sand texture. Here, we have imperfections in our grass area that make it look more natural.